So we are going to start algebra basic. So we will learn here the basic concept of algebra. Okay, like we'll learn addition of algebra. We will learn subtraction of algebra. We will learn multiplication of algebra, and we will learn division. Okay, so these are the basic concept, basic operation of algebra. Algebra is what you know. Algebra is when we see math in variable form, in variable form like ABC, XYZ. Okay, so this is called algebra. What? Like x, y, z in place of number. See, in math, what we imagine the numbers. Okay, the numbers. Okay, it's all about math, but these are not numbers. These are alphabets. These are what? Alphabets. Okay, so this like the variable. Actually, technically, if we see the math in the form of x, y, z, a, b, c, whatever, any alphabet like none other than number. Okay, these are not the numbers 0 to 9. These are something in character, other character, not numbers. So this is this alphabet called variable in technical way. What we call it's variable. In the variable, any number is hidden. In a variable like in x, if behind the x some number is hidden, for example in x is 10. So this is the concept of algebra. Ki behind the x, what we can't see. We can see only alphabet, but before the alphabet, behind the alphabet, there is a number. There is a number that is 10 or whatever. For example, it is like I am writing some equation. X plus 11 is equal to 15. So what here we can understand ki we are adding something. We are adding something to 11 and we are getting 15. We are adding something. That is x. I don't know. What is this? But there is something what we add in 11 coming, answer coming 15. So what we can imagine the number here, like by which number we should add to 11, then it become 15. Which number? By which number should we add? So by just imagination, yes sir, I think it should be 4. It should be 4. If we add 4 to 11, then we are getting number 15. Okay, this is the way. So this is the algebra. Like in x, the number 4 was hidden. Number 4 was hidden, and this is algebra. Okay, we can say in very basic term. So for example, if we are adding number like 11 plus 7, we are getting 18. So what if we add in algebra form, what number we will get? Okay, or in like if you are multiplying it, then what will be the answer? So these things in the very basic we will learn. Okay, so addition and the subtraction and the multiplication and the division in a single page we will learn it. Okay, so before starting the addition, subtraction and multiplication division concept, we must know the like term and unlike terms. Like terms and unlike term in algebra. So like term means like same type term. For example, 4x, 11x, okay, 3x. Can't you see it's looking like same? So no, it's not looking like same. It is 4, here it is 11, here it is 3. Okay, forget about the numbers. See the variable, see the alphabet. Here is also x, here is also x, here is also x. If we have different term but the alphabet is same alphabet, then we can say like term. So these are the like term. These are the like term. If we have to find out like terms among many terms, like now you find the like term only, like term. So here we can see 4x and 2x. Yeah, it look like same because alphabets are same. Forget about the number before it. It's okay. Numbers could be different. It's okay. But the variable should be same. So 4x and the 2x are the like term. And 11y and 7y are the like terms. Here 4x and 2x are like terms. They look like same. So the point is what? If the variable, the alphabet is same, then you can call like term. Very important concept. This is your learning. Okay. And what is unlike term? Unlike term means it's like if we have 4x, 7y, these are unlike. They don't match up. Unlike. They are unlike. For example, 3 is square 5x or 4y square 4y. Here you see 3 5 number could be different, no problem. On digits, on number, no problem. See the variable. It is x square, it is x. No, these are not same. They are unlike. They are unlike. Here see 4 4 same. It's okay, no problem. We don't consider the numbers. We don't consider the numbers. We consider the variable. So here is the y square, the y. You have power 2 here. We have power by default 1. If you don't find any power, it means it has 1 power. So it is unlike term because they are not exact same power. Alphabet and the power must be same. Alphabet as well as the power, the degree must be same. Okay. So you got it, like and unlike term, because here in addition and subtraction we need it. So for addition and subtraction we must need like term to add the algebra. Must like term right here. Must like terms. Subtraction के लिए must like term. Multiplication no need like term. No need like term. Okay. And same as in division, no need like term. See, I don't know your syllabus right now, so I'm just recording the basic thing. If you could have sent me any pic of your book, so I can record from your same topic, you know what I mean to say. So, okay. So it is just a basic, a very basic. So for example, one question is given, add the following number 7x, 3x, 4y, 2y. Just do simple way, add it. 7x plus 3x plus, because we have to add it, no? 4y plus 2y. 7 plus 3, 10. 10x, and this 4y, 2y must be in other part, because this is y, this is x. This is like term, here this is like term. So this like term goes to this like term, and this same term goes to same term. So only number should be added. 7 plus 3 10x. And again plus 4 plus 2 6 y. This is your final answer. X and y could not, they are not matching up. They can't add it up again to each other, right? For example, comma, okay, these are 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 terms are given. Now you have to add it up. So just before comma you will put x plus, because we have to add it, Now see, in addition what we need? Only like term, like term must be there. So now you find the like term among these and then you add it up. So we will reorder it, we will rearrange it. You can see here this and this are look like term, okay. So here you will rearrange it, reorder it, and you can write down. With 5x, there is no friend of 5x. Just write only 5x, no friend here. With y, you will find there is 2y wale number. Okay. Now you add it up. These are the like terms. 3 plus 2. Only the number digit can be added. So 5x square. The same alphabet will be same in addition and subtraction. 5x, it has no friend. 5x will be 11. Then 7 plus 2 10y. Now you can't add it up more. You can't do it because all these have different term. Like it has x square, it has only x, it has y. So this is your final answer, right? How easy it is. Don't you find it easy? Okay, we will take more terms to understand in a better way. Like I'm writing number 5x square minus 10x square 2y comma minus ka 5. I think you must be knowing the integer too. So one type of term, keep it on one side. See, we have to add it. What? We have to add it, but the minus is there. So when we put plus, then plus minus will be minus. Plus and minus will be kya? Minus. So minus 10x square. If you have any doubt in integer, so you can call me and ask me about the integer. Because integer is a integral part of math. Without integer, you can't do anything. Integer must require to understand anything in math after class 5. 2y the again plus and minus, because this comma will act as a plus, because in question you are asked addition. So plus minus minus, because plus minus become minus. If you don't know the integer, so you can ask me lecture for the integer, so I can give to you. So minus ka 5y. Now this 5 minus 10, 5x square, plus minus minus. By default with the 5 it has 5, it has plus. The plus minus become minus and sign will be greater. So minus 10 is a greater, 10 has minus. So answer will be in your mind. I think you must be knowing it. Then again 2 minus 5. You can do it rough. 2 minus 5. It become minus 3. Na? So minus 3y. Always write full number like with a y, then it become minus 3y. Got it? So this is the way where you can add the algebra concept. Okay, now is the subtraction. So same way, subtraction also required what? Like term. If we take same number here. So how would we write it? Just remove comma and put minus because we have to subtract. Okay, so here we have some pair with the like term. In subtraction also it requires like term because these are like term and these are like term. Only these two will solve separate and these two will solve separate. 7 minus 3 it becomes 4x. Then minus 4y minus 2y. These two have minus sign, na? Then what is minus and minus? Tell me. Minus and minus plus. And sign will be minus. You know, na? So 4 plus 2 6y. You must know integer. You must know integer concept. Got it? So these are the subtraction of algebra. If you are given question like this, subtract 7x minus 2y from 2x plus 4y. So you have to subtract this number from this number, from this number. So what will be after from will come in solution first. Like it is, if I give example, if it is written here like this, subtract 15 from 22. So you have to subtract 15 from 22. So how would you write in math? 22 minus 15. 22 will come first and 15 will come after 22. Then it will become 7. The same way, this question is given, subtract this from this. So what is after from? Write first. And then put minus. And open bracket. Keep it. Remember. You have to minus from this to this. So the first number will be in the bracket. Always in the bracket. Why? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you. So 2x plus 4y. When there is a bracket and before bracket there is sign minus. So in the bracket sign will get changed. Because here is the 7x is in plus. And sign always see before the number, not after the number. If 7 has sign of 7x you want to see before there is nothing, so it is like plus. It is by default plus. Okay. Now 7 has plus, but out of the bracket it is minus. This minus will change the sign of plus 7x. So plus will become minus 7x, and this minus will become plus because outside the bracket there is a minus. So this minus will become plus. The bracket sign minus, if you have minus sign after the bracket, so the sign inside the number, inside the term get automatically changed. So it will become plus ka 2y. Okay. Now find the pairing. Where are your like term? This and these are looking like same, and 4y and 2y looking like same. So 2x minus 7x, rearrange it. 2x minus 7x plus 4y plus ka 2y. 2 minus 7. This is by default plus. Plus minus minus, and sign will be right greater one. So 2 minus 7 minus ka 5x plus 4y plus 2y 6y. And this number to this number cannot be added because it has different variable. So it cannot be added. Okay. Right? So this is the way you can subtract the algebra. Now next topic is multiple. See how smartly I have done. In a single page, I am explaining you all concept of algebra. How smart. Job is being done. Now we are going to start multiplication of algebra. See, in multiplication you don't need like term. Okay. But we have some changes, like I tell you. For example, you have to multiply 4x into 3x. Okay. see how we do multiply. Just multiply the numbers before the x. 4 into 3, 12, and the power of x will get added. See, here by default power is what? 1. Here by default power is what? 1, right? If you don't find any degree, it means it has 1. See, in x it has 1 and other number you can see. So it becomes 12x square, 1 plus 1. See, the power in variable will get added, not multiply. Write the rule here. Multiply numbers but add power in multiplication rule. This is the multiplication rule. This is the multiplication rule. For example, if we given 4x square multiply 2x, okay, so what we'll do 4 into 2 8, and here x की power 2 and here x power 1, so it will be added. Okay, so it become 8x 3. Is it clear now? For example, if you are given number, okay, if I take this same number 7x multiply 3x multiply 4y multiply 2y. So what we can do, because we don't need the like term in multiplication, just multiply all number. 4 7 into 3 into 4 into 2, 7 3 21, 21 4 the 84, right? 84 to the 168. See, 7 3 21, 21 4 the 84, 84 to the 168. So 168. Okay, number you can add 168. Now look at the variable. Here x is 1, here x is 1, so it become x2. Now see the y wale variable. Here y is 1, here y is 1, y2. But if you see the addition, in addition, you don't add the power of variable. Don't add 7x 3. Just see the like term. Just see the like term. 7x 3x, 7 plus 3 10, and write only x. But here 7 into 3 21, x1 and again x1, so x to power 2. Okay, so here power of the variable get added in multiply. Number will be multiplying, no problem, but power will be added. This is very important, added. Example, 2x square multiply 2y या 3y की power 4 multiply x की power 3 multiply y की power 2. Okay, see, now multiply all numbers because we don't need the like term. So multiply by 2 to 3. Here you are not unable to see any number. If you don't find any number, it means it has 1. It means it has 1x. And before the y you don't have any number, it means you have 1y. It has 1y. Okay, even in addition you can take the example. See, 2 3 is 6, 6 1 is 1 6, and again 6 1 is 6, right? In rough you can do 2 into 3, see, 2 into 3 into 1 into 1, 6 1 the 1 6 आएगा. So 6, or now make the power added of the variable. Here is 2 is 3, so x की power 5. Here y is 4, y is 2, 4 plus 2 6, y 6. Sometimes the kids get confused. What they do, they are multiplying the number as well as they are multiplying the power too, which is wrong. Power should be added only. Okay, so this is the final answer. The same way, if you have a number like in addition, like 5x square plus 2x plus x, so what will be your answer here? add the number 5 plus 2 7, and here x you can't find any number, it means you have 1, it means it has 1. So 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, x square, make the like term because it has x square. So x square, to write only x square, I'll give one more example of addition subtraction. Here multiply, here addition or subtraction. For example, multiply y. Okay, so in multiply, how we solve it, because we are not caring for the like term, just write the multiply the number, just 5. So 3 into 4 into 3 into 5, because only it doesn't have any algebra like variable, so no problem, we are multiplying the number only. So 3 4 are 12, and we have like, there is no need to see the variable, same variable, because we are doing multiply, no need of variable, same variable. 3 4 are 12, 12 3 are 36, 36 5 is 180. So 180. Add all variable, not multiply, variable should be added. So here is x2, here x by default is 1, so x2 x1 it is x3. Now look at y, here y is 1 and also here y is 1, ठीक है ना. 3 तो हो गया ना, ये मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, 1 plus 1 y2. So how we do it? First multiply the number before the algebra, before the variable. 3 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply by default 1 multiply 5. 3 4 the 12, 3 the 36 into 1 36 plus into 5 180, and get all added power of x and y. Here x is 2 and x is 1, total x 3. Here y is 1, again y is 1, because if you find we don't see any number, it has 1, so 1 1 2. So this is your final answer. But how we do in with the addition subtraction? Look, same number I am taking. This is the best example. Same number I am taking. Now in addition we'll find only and only like term. So here x is square and only x, no, this is not like term. Here y and y exact, here is a like term. So what we can do, if we are not getting like term, so just write down simply same way. But here 3 is the number, and by default before y it is 1. So 3 plus 1, because we are doing addition or subtraction. 3 plus 1 is 4y. And the last number is 5, and 5 has no partner, it has no partner of same like family, only 3, only 70, whatever, without any variable. So this number could not be added, it should be written separately, that 5. And this number could not be further more simplified, because this is your final answer, because these are all are unlike terms. See, here is x square, here is x, here is y, here is only 5. The unlike, so in unlike, addition subtraction is not possible. This is the best example, because I have taken same numbers. So did you get it in multiplication as well as addition and subtraction? Now look in division. I'll tell the easy one wala division, and there is one more long term division, long way, but we'll do. See, if in division form that question is given in this way, divide by 2x. So what we'll do, we'll write in this way, again this way. Now reduce, how we are multiplying number to number? We are doing multiply how? Number to number. So same way divide the number to number. 2 to 12, 2 1 are 2 6 are 12. 6 आ गया. Now here in multiply power was getting added. Here power is getting subtracting. On the top there is 2x, only down there is 1x. So 2 minus 1. Upper degree minus lower degree. In division what we do? Upper degree minus 12 minus 1, only 1x. So this x छुपा दो and it will be only 1x because 1x is getting cancelled by this x. तो बचा क्या? Only 1x. Furthermore, division if I take now here the number should be divided to this number. 6 divided by 2, it will become 3, right? Now power is 4, power is 2. So here the first number or upper number will be before and put sign minus, the other number will be in other way, ठीक है, down. तो 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 will be 2. तो इसकी power came 2. Got it? So this is a part of this. I just told you very basic, very basic. If you understand it, if you know it, so you can send me a picture of your chapter or what school, from school you are getting any notes. So just you can show me, so I can record lecture according to your syllabus, you know. So by the way, if you have any doubt in this lecture, you can ask me anytime. Okay, be free and ask me doubt. So what I will do, and don't continue the lecture if you are not clearing your doubt. Just stop it and ask me doubt, and if I explain you, then you can go for whatever party or hangout, whatever.